And this is literally all you have to do to become a millionaire in this day and age. If you're still not leveraging the viral effect that TikTok has to sell and make money online in general, then I don't know what you're doing. It's 2022 and everybody's already done it. You need to catch up. TikTok is the place to be if you want viral traffic, you want fast traffic overnight and make a bunch of money, even with Amazon affiliate products, which is what we're going to go over in this video. And if you watch all the way to the end of the video, I'm going to give you a free gift to help you get started on TikTok and start making some sales with your Amazon associate affiliate links. Amazon associate affiliate, I don't know, they're all the same stuff, right? Amazon links. So stay to the end and I'll show you the fastest ways to get started, and I'll give you some free prizes, some free stuff, some free giveaways, all right? I'm the infamous Joella. Your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to that channel. Now, personally, I don't do Amazon associate affiliate marketing stuff personally. I really don't do it. I used to a long time ago, but once they cut off their percentages and they stop paying their associates, their affiliates a lot less now, but I stopped doing it, and the thing is, you can still make a ton of money with Amazon affiliate marketing, but there's a lot of ways you can do that, but I have a few friends that utilize TikTok, and that's what we're going to go through in this video. But just real quick, if you don't know how to get your Amazon affiliate account, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom here on Amazon's own website, and you see this little link down here called Become an Affiliate, okay? And you click on that, that's going to take you over to the Amazon Associates website. Now, their process for qualifying an affiliate is much easier now than it used to be, but just know that you're gonna have to put in a bunch of information and say that you have a website. Now, as far as that free gift I was telling you about, I'm gonna give you this free gift right here. I'm gonna leave this link down in the description below, but this is gonna work perfectly with your TikTok Amazon affiliate marketing strategy, the one that I'm gonna break down to you in this video. This is called a link tree. And with this software right here, System.io, it's a completely free software. It's not like ClickFunnels, it's not like Builderall, not like any of these other funnel builder kind of things. System.io is a funnel builder, but it's completely free. So you can host your whole website, all your stuff, all your affiliate links, all your Amazon products right here. And you can add more to this. You can customize this however you want. You see, I only have 5 links on here, but for you, you can have as many as you want or as few as you want, but this is a perfect one-page website. That's all you need, something simple just for people to click off of your TikTok videos over to your website. This could be your website, have your little picture there. Hey, my name is Sarah, whatever. And then you just have your products and services that you promote from Amazon. Now, the only thing I will say about Amazon, even though they don't pay as much as they used to, it's still a very powerful affiliate program, because they put stuff in the cart and they choose to buy stuff not today but tomorrow. You still get the commissions for that. But not only that, you can get commissions off other stuff that they added to the cart too. So not necessarily just things that you promoted, not necessarily just the products that you told them to go get with your affiliate links, but anything else that they might add to the cart, you also get credit for that sale. Now I'm going to show you an example of someone who's doing this successfully on TikTok, only promoting Amazon affiliate products. They never even show their face on camera. Their videos go super viral. They get millions of views, and I'm sure they make millions of freaking dollars, okay? And that's what this channel is all about. Make money online, become an entrepreneur, live a life of freedom, passion, fulfillment. So let's go check that person's channel out. And here they are. This is Top Online Finds. This is one channel I found, but there are many just like it that only promote Amazon affiliate products. And we scroll down here, this is all they talk about. And a lot of times their videos aren't even them on the camera. It's just photos and videos of Amazon products and stuff that they find on Amazon for you to go click the link in their bio, in the comment section, wherever they put the link, to go get it. And they make a ton of money because look at the viral effect they're getting. Look at these hundreds of thousands of views. Some of these videos are having millions of views, 500,000 views, 100,000 views, 281,000 views. I mean, this is insane. And they're posting these videos daily, almost daily, and they're getting an enormous amount of traffic. That's because the way that TikTok works, and by the way, if you're here on this channel from TikTok, how you doing, TikTok audience? But TikTok has an enormous viral effect. Your videos that you post get a lot of views immediately and then they die off, versus something here on YouTube. I might post this video and it doesn't get very many views in the beginning, and later on the views start increasing. So using TikTok and YouTube is a very, very smart strategy if you're in affiliate marketing or any kind of business really. But using both in unison, I just talked to one of my clients about this, about using both as a strategy. It works really, really well. I've seen some people blow up by utilizing TikTok and YouTube together. Now, another thing is that TikTok doesn't pay you very much for your views. So if you get into the TikTok partner program, they don't pay as much as YouTube does for your views, for your raw actual views. So it's even more imperative that you get some kind of affiliate links, become a partner in some kind of program. Amazon is available to anyone. As long as you have some kind of an audience, Amazon will let you pass and give you Amazon affiliate links. And again, you can see this person is literally making a ton of money just posting stuff about products off Amazon. And this is literally all you have to do to become a millionaire in this day and age. People tend to overcomplicate this process of becoming wealthy. As long as you see a problem in the market and you come up with a solution and you fit that solution into people's everyday lives, that's it. You don't even have to be the one to create the product. You can see this entire channel is just someone pulling products from Amazon and showing those products to you. That's all they're doing. They're opening up the box. They're saying, hey, here's the product. Here's how it works. Here's the link if you want to go try it out and check it out. And that's it. They're making a beautiful, wonderful living online just doing this. Remote, they can spend time with their kids. They can travel. This is your career path right here. This is all you have to do. Now, it's not to say that this is going to happen overnight, but the beauty of TikTok is that it can. TikTok is the most viral platform that there's ever been. One video could literally, you post one video today, literally you'll have millions of views by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. That's how fast TikTok works. And you're a complete digital nobody. Nobody's ever heard of you. No one ever saw you online. You can start right now on TikTok, post one video and go viral immediately. That hasn't happened since the beginning days of YouTube, okay? YouTube got super oversaturated over the years. Now going viral on YouTube is very difficult, but on TikTok, almost everybody is going viral for the simplest, stupidest videos, okay? Now, down in the description below, I'm gonna leave a link to a course that's going to show you how to go viral on TikTok using affiliate products and services and links and things like that, so that you can make money from TikTok from posting simple videos. I'm going to leave that link down in the description below. It's only $1. The only thing that I would do differently than this channel right here on TikTok is that I would make all of my products that I'm promoting, my affiliate Amazon products, about one subject, about one industry, about one hobby or interest or niche. So if you're into dogs, do all dog grooming and dog training stuff. That's what I would do. But as you can see on TikTok, it doesn't even really matter. Each individual video is treated as its own thing. Versus here on YouTube, you got to set up your branding. You got to be one niche, one industry, so that people don't get all confused. But on TikTok, it really doesn't matter. You can just post about all kinds of different products. I'm just used to it. I'm old school. I'm all about niching down. That's just my opinion. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, you can check out my completely, entirely free playlist I have right here on this channel. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.